Here's how to stop Google Chrome from automatically opening new tabs. So first, go to google.com, not just the Google homepage. Hit search, then open google.com website, and at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on settings. From the menu that appears, tap on search settings. That is in the top of the menu that appears. And here, select other settings from the left-hand side of the screen and make sure results in a new window is turned off. Next, in Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings, and on the left, click on Reset Settings. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then tap on Reset Settings to confirm, and this will reset Chrome and might fix the issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.